How to deposit on Xchangeon. Go to Xchangeon.io, log in using your registered email address and password. Tap Login, then enter the OTP sent to your registered email address. Tap Verify to access your account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the Wallet section. Tap Deposit. Select the coin you want to deposit, for example USDT. Choose the network, such as BEP20. Your deposit address will be generated automatically. You can copy the address or scan the QR code to make the deposit. After completing the deposit, scroll down and tap the Sync button to update your balance. Congratulations! You have successfully deposited funds into your Xchangeon account.